Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Latest in Beauty. So if you want to see what my choices for this month Latest in Beauty, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're unboxing Latest in Beauty. So if you're new to this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £12.95 plus the shipping fee, which is £3.95, and every month you can choose 6 products in their beauty counter. And if you subscribe to them for more than 3 months, I think in your 4th payment the delivery will be free, so it will cost you only £12.95 because you will become a Member Pro. Another benefit from Member Pro is you will get 15% off on their collection boxes. This subscription box is quite different because you choose the products that you want from their beauty counter. They release every Monday new 5 products, and I did my lineup spoiler for this month. All the products will be available for this month, so if you want to check it out, I will pop on the top here or in the description box below, and all the infos, always all the link will be in the description box below. So yes, let's open this box. When you open it, lovelies, it says Latest in Beauty, my beauty discoveries. And as always, lovelies, Latest in Beauty, they don't include any leaflet inside. So the prices I will pop in here, and I will tell you information of each product as much as I can. And also, lovelies, this choices I did, I think, at the end of the month when there was Wet n Wild takeover. No, not this month, but last month's Hall of Fame was from Berry M, and this is the Wildlife eyeshadow palette. This month Hall of Fame is from Time Bomb, I think. Yes, but last month is from Berry M. Let's open this one first. Hall of Fame, lovelies, is the only product that it lasts throughout the month. So last month Hall of Fame is from Berry M. It's an eyeshadow. I don't know how to open this one. Oh, this is gorgeous. So it says, Berry M, over the last 50 years, British insect and wild animal population have plumped. A recent report described the UK as among the most nature-dependent countries in the world. Insects are vital to a healthy ecosystem. We literally could not live without them. But 41% of the world's insect species are now facing extinction. Berry M British Wildlife Collection was created to help protect some of the UK most threatened wildlife species and habitats. So yes, the shade, lovelies, it's gorgeous. It has that warm tone, perfect for autumn. I hope you can see it, lovelies. Here we go. I love that it has bee in here too. It has that matte shade and then metallic shades. Love the shade. The packaging, it's quite not really well made in my opinion. It's in cardboard, but the design of the packaging, it's really cute. And then the next product that I choose is from Pharma series. I think I pronounced it properly. I really hope so. And this is the CC cream. It has SPF 30, even skin tone cream, correction and protection and strength. I was hoping that this product will be still available because I really wanted to try this. It is a full size. It has 40 ml. And it says, recommended for all skin type, effective protection against harmful environmental condition, indicated for the skin prone to redness and erythema caused by external factors, stress, intense emotion, alcohol, and hot or spicy foods. Also indicated for people with dark circle, with swelling under eyes, it's me, and people undergoing pharmaceutical treatment for cowperus or rosacea skin. This is the product. And yes, I'm curious to try this, as I said, because it has SPF 30. Let me do the shade. It has very light shade. Ooh, it's very thick. It's like a CC cream, like a BB cream texture, like a foundation, light foundation, very thick consistency. It's a very, very light one, so I think this one is suitable for light skin tone. And then we have that I choose is from Wet n Wild. This is the Heart and Soul palette. There was 3 palette available, but I choose this one. And yeah, the color is similar from this. It's that's the hard thing about choosing like makeup palette online, because you never know the shades. But yes, I think I will definitely use more this color, and it has 10 shades. I will try this and we'll see. And I know Wet n Wild eyeshadow products are really good because I tried their eyeshadow before and they are really, really nice. Another Wet n Wild products is this lipstick in the this is the Mega Blast Matte in the shade Sunstorm. It's a really brownish nudie shade, perfect for everyday, and it's matte, so perfect. I love the packaging. It has the small lips in here, and this is a full size too. The other product from Wet n Wild that I chose is the other lipstick, because there was 2 lipstick available, and this one in the shade Bear It All. It's the same shade as that one, but it's more light shade. This is more for everyday. That one is more very kind of darky shade. I will put side by side. Here we go. Hope you can see it. So this is more lighter than this one. I will use more, I think, the Bear It All for everyday, but we'll see, lovelies. And then the other product that I choose from the Quick Flick Attach Lash, Zero Magnet Latex Glue, 100% cruelty free, restickable, windproof, vegan. I was really curious to try this one, and this is in the shade brown. I find always difficult to open packaging. I don't know why, but yeah. So here we go inside, and it says, give irritating lash glues and magnets the flick with Quick Lash Adhesive Liner. Fabulous windproof lashes in a flash. Shake product and apply 2-3 swipe to the skin above your lash line for extra hold. Also apply the product on your false lash bands. Allow Quick Lash to absorb and turn tacky. Use soft to medium pressure to press the lashes in place. For best result, trim your lashes to size and ensure skin to clean and oil free before use. So yes, I was really curious to try this. And then that's the product that I choose. But we have a freebie, which is not another Cetaphil, which is a thumbs up, but it's a perfume sample, which is I preferred. This is the Girl of Now lovely Elisab, and I know it smells nice because we received this one before. It has that floral scent, so I'm really glad that we received this one, because to be honest, lovely, the Cetaphil one I never used. It doesn't suit to my skin type, so yes, I'm glad that we received that one. So yes, let's do a recap for the product that I choose. So I chose this full size from the Quick Flick. I'm really curious to try this because it's like eyeliner, but it acts like a glue, like a false lashes glue. So I'm really curious to try this. And then I chose also the 2 lipstick from Wet n Wild, the Sunstorm and Bear It All. If I knew this will be like almost similar, I would just choose the Bear It All, but still I really wanted to try both. And then I choose also the eyeshadow palette, which is the Heart and Soul, which is this lovely shade. I really like the reddish pinky goldy shade one, really warm tone shade. And then I choose also the CC cream from Pharma Series. It has SPF 30, and the Hall of Fame from Berry M, which is the Wild Out eyeshadow palette. So yes, these are the products that I choose that I will definitely use every single product. So yes, that's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of latest and beauty this month? lineup. Have you seen that? If not, I will pop in here. What product did you choose last month, lovelies? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.